Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will basically introduce to a new audio editor application that I developed inside browser, which actually uses FFMPEG, Wavesurfer.js library and Lame.js library. So this is actually a timeline audio editor, something like Audacity. Audacity is a very popular desktop software which allows you to edit your MP3 audio files. So this is actually a web version that I developed, guys, which works fully client-side application. No server-side code is there. It basically runs without internet connection. You can run it in the browser itself. It's a very fast sound editor. If you load this application for the very first time, it will look something like this. You can drag and drop your audio file, MP3 file. All extension files are supported. It can be WAV, audio, MP3. All files are supported, which is for audio files. There is this menu out there. You can basically apply any effects to your audio. You can download it after applying the effects. So there are two options, guys. Either you can drag and drop or you can select it from the menu. So what I will do is that you can even use a demo file. So what I will do is that I basically have already a demo output file available. So what I will simply drag and drop. So I will simply drag and drop this MP3 file. So it will basically process this MP3 file, and now it will basically form a waveform of this audio file. So it is similar to Audacity, guys. You have used a popular software called as Audacity, which is a sound processing software which allows you to edit your sound files. So this application allows you, I can now play this file using the play button. Hello guys, welcome to this video 56 by 250, and you can control all, you can even control the call. So you can see we have various buttons out there to actually play the file, pause the file, and this is actually created a simple timeline where you can actually edit your files. You can trim or cut any portion that you don't want inside this audio, or if you want to export a specific portion inside this audio file, you can easily do this. So this is a complete project, guys, that I developed. You can directly purchase this. The link is given in the description of the video. After you purchase it, guys, you will actually get this source code. The link will be given in the description. You will actually get a zip file. After you purchase it, you will be automatically be redirected to Google Drive, and you will be able to download the zip file from that, and then you just need to extract it, the zip file, which will actually contain this directory structure, and it will actually contain JavaScript code, CSS and HTML. This basically it's a client-side application, guys, a static application. It works without internet connection. It doesn't contain any server-side code, and it is very useful. You can deploy this application in your own website. After payment, you will get full commercial right to actually use this application and resell the code as well, or you can modify the application, and also you will get full source code plus this application. Now let me just show you, play the audio. You will see this timeline by using the slider. The time will, if you want to decrease the quality of the image, if you want, you can pause it, play it, and let's suppose I want to cut this portion from this audio. So what I can do is that simply I will select it by clicking this portion, just selecting this portion right here. You can select any portion. Let me select this portion. So in the timeline, it is highlighted by this blue color. I basically selected this portion. So as you basically select, guys, you will see the start time and the finish time and the duration will automatically change. So as you are moving your mouse, it is automatically changing. So these things are in seconds. 291 second, 367 is the finish time, and the starting time is 291 second. So you are basically selecting whichever thing you want to trim in the video, in the audio file. So let's suppose I want to trim this portion. The audio file size will be 20 second. So let's suppose I want to trim this portion 21 second. So I will simply, now there is these options right here. You can apply any effects in this also, guys. Various effects are also available. Something Audacity, we have basically clone. This is a complete Audacity clone, web version of it. You don't require desktop software to actually edit your MP3 files. You can directly use the software which is built inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you can apply all these awesome effects right here. Gain, fade in, fade out, compressor, normalization, graphic equalizer, hard limiter, delay, distortion, all these effects, special effects. And now there is an export option. You can basically export this selected portion. So there will be this window will open. You can basically select if you want to have this in wave file, you can select wave or MP3, and you can even bitrate change from bitrate 128 to 256. You can even update this. So we are actually using FFMPG library, guys, to actually do this processing. So you can also select mono or stereo, and if you want to export entire file or you want to only export the selected portion, so I will simply select this option. I only want to select that selected portion that I selected, and then simply I will click the export button. So you will see this progress bar will show right here. Automatically, once it reaches 100%, it will automatically, the file will get downloaded. If I play this audio file, download your file automatically. You can see that once it is done, it will as well. You can, or you can select 300 height. So the audio was successfully trimmed from the location that we selected, guys, in the timeline, and you can just see the length of the audio file is 21 second. So whatever it is showing right here, which is 21 second. So this is exactly very good application, guys. You should definitely purchase it if you want to gain knowledge in how to basically I build these applications, these complex applications. You will get full source code, and this is a really good project, guys. If you are in a university, if you want to get a job, you can basically show this as in a job resume, so that you will get full commercial right after payment. You can just show to your boss that I developed this application, awesome application, you can check out. So this will be a great project, and I think not entire YouTube doesn't contain these project related videos, so I make these videos for you guys so that you like it. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel if you're watching it for the very first time. And you can just see here if you want to apply some effects as well. Let's suppose if I want to apply some effect, so I will select the effect section right here. Let's suppose I want to reverse the audio, so I will simply select the reverse option. So you will see applied the reverse. You can see that the audio is simply reversed. You can't understand the language what I'm speaking. So basically what I did, I just reversed my audio. So this that way, if you just now listen right here, you can't understand a single word that I'm speaking right here because the audio is reversed. So if you want to download this, uh, you can simply export this, only export the selected portion. So it will actually apply that effect and it will download that exported portion. And if I now listen this audio, you will simply see, you can see that, guys, how beautiful it is looking. The effect was applied, and you can see that. So it is similar to Audacity, guys, because Audacity is a very complex software, but this is a really easy application, web application. And the prime benefit is that you don't need to install any software inside your machine. It works in the browser. It doesn't require internet connection. It is really fast. You can see right here. Very easy interface is there. There is a simple timeline. You select any portion in the audio that you want to export or cut. There is this cut selection option. You can click this option to actually cut this portion. You can see the audio was cut. We can select any portion. Let's suppose I don't want this portion. I will simply press uh, this scissor and simply remove it. Now that is removed, you can see that. So this is really useful, guys, if you are a content creator, if you are building YouTube videos, if you want to do sound processing, if you want to edit your sounds to just remove the background noise from your sound files, this software will be great for you. And you will actually get a full source code, guys, in the link is given in the description. You will basically, guys, this will be the directory structure you will get. You just need to go to the index.html file. After you get this, simply extract the zip file. After the payment, just go to index.html file, open with live server, so this application will open. So this will look something like that, and here you just need to select, drag and drop either, or you can select it. These are, you can load a local file, simply select your file, and this will actually create a waveform for you depending upon the length of the audio file, and it will show you the waveform. You can see that. So in this way you can select this portion, delete this, you can see that portion will be deleted. So you can even record your own microphone voice as well. Let's suppose if you want to record your own audio, you can need to allow the permission. So now whatever it is saying, guys, whatever I'm speaking through my microphone, it is recording. So you can see the recording is taking place. If I click that portion, recorded audio, it is finished. You can see that. If I now play this, you can see that. So you can even record this audio file as well, guys. The size, everything you can control, guys, with this editor. It's a tremendous editor. If you have this editor, you can do all the things. You can see that you can even record your own microphone audio in your audio file. So just select the portion where you need to record it. Simply click on this record option and simply click on whatever you're speaking. So it will actually record through your microphone. So you just need to allow the access, whichever microphone, click on manage. So I will select my own microphone. So let me just refresh it. I think wrong microphone was selected. That's why. Just select your file, and there is a very great option which I'm showing you guys of recording your own microphone voice. So just select the portion where you need to do this right here. It can you replace that audio with your own audio. So click on record. So now whatever you are speaking right here, it is being recorded. So you can basically see if I click stop. So if I play now,
Record. So now whatever you are speaking right here, it is being recorded. So you can basically see if I click.
so now you can see that, guys, basically whatever that you spoken, it is recorded. You can control all these functionalities, repeat. You just need to choose a watermark image that will be used. So once you will basically see.
Record. So now whatever you are speaking right here, it is being recorded. So you can basically.
So you can just see, guys, I recorded this audio through my microphone live here. So you can basically edit your audio files in between. You can basically record your own microphone voice in between the, just select the portion where you need to record it. It becomes really easy, guys. You don't need any third party software. This application is enough for you, and you should definitely purchase it. The link is given in the description. You will actually get this directory structure. It's a very good audio editing application which allows you to do everything. If you are interested, the link is given. Please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. It is built using FFMPG, lame.js, and Wavesurfer.js. Let me show you the dependencies. So we are actually using FFmpeg WebAssembly. So FFmpeg WebAssembly allows you to execute FFmpeg right in the browser itself. This is their GitHub repository. Lame.js is a third-party library. MP3, it's an MP3 encoder. So we are actually using this also to actually encode our MP3 files to for our sound editor. And lastly, we are actually using the third package, which is Wavesurfer.js, which allows you to actually construct the waveform of your audio files in JavaScript in browser. It's an open source audio visualization library for creating interactive, customizable waveforms. So we are actually using this library also. So we are using three libraries for this awesome audio editor that I developed, guys, in the browser. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can basically purchase it from my website. You will get this full source code plus this full application which allows you to edit your files, apply some awesome effects, something to Audacity that I shown you, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.